With their tidy proportions and all-American athleticism, Shelby Cobras are certainly a standard in the sports car world. And the baseline for notable Cobra builds is a lightweight body, ferocious forward power, and somewhat conservative aesthetics. The pros at Kirkham Motorsports have gained quite a reputation for assembling serious performance machines. Founded when a hardcore enthusiast elicited the help of a Polish plane manufacturer, the firm is well known for creating precision aluminum body tributes that in roller form currently fetch $100,000. This particular Kirkham Cobra recently benefited from professional sorting that was performed by Voss Performance. Today, the car rolls as a timeless combination of killer style and serious performance that, like all Kirkham Cobras, is listed in the Shelby World Registry. Inside, leather-wrapped buckets, which feature bright safety harnesses, look great against new wool carpet and fresh leather panels. A leather-wrapped dash founds fire suppression beneath tasteful Kirkham and Speed Hut gauges. A wide console hosts a polished shifter between a polished handbrake, buttons for seat heaters, and a polished fire extinguisher. And the driver spins a polished and leather-wrapped steering wheel. Instead of some romantic relic from a bygone era under the hood, would-be challengers are facing an aluminum Shelby FE 427 that boasts 100 more cubic inches and is capable of over 600 horsepower. Featuring professionally sorted performance, classic appeal, and incredible aesthetics, this polished roadster provides unmatched exclusivity. It's an adventuresome take on one of the most desirable sports cars ever produced. For more information, call, click, or visit arcademotors.com.